What's your name?
I'm Juliet Polana.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Church of Christ.
Are you married?
No.
Do you have son or daughter?
No.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
6 years and 7 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes.
How long have you been working with the current or previous employer?
In Lebanon, it's 3 years, and Dubai is 2 years.
How about in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong, the first employer is 2 years, finished contract, and the previous, now, it's 4 years and 7 months.
How many square feet of your employer house?
The new one, or?
No, now.
No, it's 1,900.
Where is your employer living in?
In Kennedy Road, One Chai.
How many square feet of your employer house?
1,900.
How many family members are there?
4.
How many children of your employer?
2.
How old are they?
The girl one is 14, and then the boy is 10 years old.
Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
And then?
Prepare the food for the kids in school.
And then?
And then after that, when they leave, I will start cleaning the house.
And then? Did you go to market?
Yes, I go to market to this, twice a day, twice a week.
What time you prepare for dinner?
7 o'clock.
Until what time you go to sleep?
Oh my God, 10 to 11.